a family law dispute, incarceration could affect your child's eligibility for child support. To manage both the incarceration and the coming back to society, once the jail or prison term is over, you or your co-parent, or both of you, must be able to contact the Office of the Attorney General. Hi, my name is Stacie Moss, and I'm one of the attorneys with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. In today's video, we will discuss child support and parental incarceration. The organization in charge of managing child support payments in the state of Texas is the Office of the Attorney General. Paying child support is a very simple process. You'll have to start making monthly child support payments as you move forward, depending on the specifics of your situation. There are numerous ways to determine this figure. Child support must be paid up to the day or moment specified in your final court orders, after which you are free to discontinue doing so. Making sure your kids are well taken care of is definitely something you think about when you're facing prison time or have just been released. You might also worry about avoiding jail time and not having to return to the family court anytime soon. Because of this, you could be extra determined to avoid going to jail, once again for failing to pay child support. If you have any relationships in the neighborhood through various organizations and groups, they have probably been informed of the specifics around the child support and the obligation to remain current. Long-term success will depend on how well prepared these organizations are to meet these problems. The same can undoubtedly be said for your child, who has the greatest potential for gain or loss in relation to child support. While you are incarcerated, the Office of the Attorney General works to establish child support for you. The AOG's office can also assist you in learning more about the key aspects of child support, including the way it's calculated, how much is due each month, and how much back child support is owed. While you are behind bars, child support might be determined. If a court decides to determine child support for you while you are imprisoned, in this situation, it must take into account things like your recent earnings from any work you have done, the money you have stored in a bank account, and any additional sources of income other than your 9-to-5 employment. Your net resources will be computed, and the amount of child support you owe will be set as a percentage of your income. Many people in your situation make the grave error of assuming their need to pay child support is stopped when they are placed in prison. However, you must pay child support as directed if you haven't requested a termination or suspension of your obligation in court. The simple fact is, while you are incarcerated, you must take the appropriate actions to provide for your child and your child support obligation as best as you can. Our skilled attorneys here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan are ready to assist you at every stage of your case. We look forward to meeting you soon.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.